All right, we're continuing our journey to talk about the distribution of sample statistics, and in particular, we're talking about the sample mean. I'm going to draw a picture and then talk about it. This red picture is the distribution of X bar. What I was saying and what I want to continue to say is that the mean of this distribution of X bar is the same as the mean of the population.
The easiest thing to do is plot the data. You can do it by hand and extrapolate it, or you can use what you learned in your statistics class, and we can learn about what this now fixed cost is and what this variable cost, in this case, per hour is.
I actually think that this is more persuasive because it hits the sweet spot for many people who are traveling these days, which is to make sure that they have a experience that is going to look good when they post it up on social media.
So the income statement is different than the balance sheet. Remember, we said the balance sheet is a snapshot. The income statement is more like a movie, a .mov or a video file that will show activity over a period of time. So not a snapshot, not a still image, it is a view of what's happened over some specified period of time.
You've probably heard the term summer driving season. People use that term to explain that demand curve shifts to the right in late May, around Memorial Day, and that typically means that oil prices each year are highest right around Memorial Day. And that's exactly from a shift from this demand curve to this demand curve in anticipation of summer.
Do you have any suggestions for some inclusive recruiting practices that people can use?
So I think the biggest thing is for corporations to reach out to the community and ask the community to help them when they're recruiting people. You know, Utah, and I think to Utah's credit, we don't really have huge pockets of different ethnic groups. You know, We're small pockets, but we all basically live next to each other.